April is Heartworm Awareness Month, and we want to remind you why it's so important to have your pet on a heartworm preventative. Heartworm disease is a serious illness that affects dogs and even cats. It's spread through the bite of an infected mosquito, making it a risk for any pet that spends time outdoors. Once infected, heartworms can damage your pet's heart and lungs, cause inflammation in the blood vessels, and block blood flow. If left untreated, it can lead to permanent damage or even death. Symptoms usually don't show up until 6 to 9 months after infection. Common signs include a persistent dry cough, getting tired easily during exercise, weight loss, poor overall appearance, and in some cases, signs of heart failure. Cats are less likely to get heartworm disease, but if they do, it is much more likely to be fatal. Even a small number of worms can cause serious lung damage or sudden death in cats. Prevention is key for dogs and cats. The good news is heartworm disease is preventable. We recommend an annual heartworm test for all dogs and keeping both dogs and cats on a heartworm preventative. For dogs, there are two main options: a monthly oral medication like Sentinel Spectrum, or a yearly injection like ProHeart for dogs 1 year and older. For cats, we suggest Bravecto Plus, which protects against heartworms, intestinal worms, fleas, and ticks, and it lasts up to 60 days per dose. Even better news, our Stransky Veterinary Center offers all of these preventatives. Starting prevention in early spring and continuing through fall is important, but year-round protection is even better. Treatment can be tough. If a dog gets heartworm disease, treatment is possible, but it can be difficult. It involves multiple injections to kill the worms over time, and some dogs may need extra care or even hospitalization. Unfortunately, there is no approved treatment for heartworm infection in cats, making prevention even more important. Preventing heartworm disease is much safer, easier, and more affordable than treating it. Talk to a veterinarian at Stransky Veterinary Center about the best option for your pet.